Hello, hello. Welcome back to our channel, everyone. I am Alex.
And I am Sora. We are so happy to see you again here on Ready Talk.
This is the place where we have easy, friendly conversations to help you practice your English. We talk like best friends because we are best friends.
That's right. And if you are new here, please take a moment to click the subscribe button below. It really helps our channel grow.
Don't forget to hit the bell icon too. That way, you will know every time we have a new talk ready for you.
Today, we're talking about something we all have, hobbies. Are you ready, Alex?
I am definitely ready. Let's talk about fun things. So, Sora, we work a lot. We teach English, we record videos, and we grade papers. But what do you do when you're not working?
You are asking about my free time. For our listeners, a hobby is an activity you do for fun when you are not working or studying.
Exactly. It's something that makes you happy. Sora, what is your favorite hobby these days?
Well, recently, I have started gardening. I have many small plants on my balcony.
Gardening. That sounds very peaceful. Do you grow flowers or food?
Mostly herbs like basil and mint. I love the smell of fresh leaves. It helps me relax after a long day of teaching.
I tried gardening once, but my plant died after 3 days. I think I forgot to give it water.
Oh no, Alex. You need to have a green thumb to be a gardener. That means you're good with plants.
I think I have a brown thumb. Everything I touch turns brown and dry.
That's okay, Alex. Gardening isn't for everyone. What about you? You are very active. What is your hobby?
You're right. I prefer active hobbies. I love hiking.
Hiking is great. You go for long walks in the mountains or the forest, right?
Yes, I love the fresh air and the exercise. It's a bit difficult sometimes, but when you get to the top of a hill, the view is amazing.
I like the idea of hiking, but I don't like the bugs.
The bugs aren't so bad if you move fast. I also enjoy playing football with my friends on the weekend.
So you have outdoor hobbies. I think I prefer indoor hobbies.
Like what, besides gardening?
I love baking. Last Sunday, I made a chocolate cake.
A chocolate cake? Why didn't you bring me a piece?
Because I ate it all, Alex. It was too delicious to share.
Well, at least you are honest. Baking is a great hobby because you get a prize at the end, something yummy to eat. You know, Sora, some hobbies are about learning a new skill. For example, I have started learning to play the guitar.
That is so cool. Is it difficult?
It is very difficult at first. My fingers hurt a little bit from pressing the strings.
I can imagine, but it's very satisfying when you can finally play a whole song, right?
Yes. Right now, I can only play Twinkle, Twinkle, Little Star, but I am practicing every day.
Maybe one day you can play music for our Ready Talk intro.
That is a great idea. I will practice more. What about you? Are you learning anything new?
Actually, yes. I am taking a photography class.
Photography? You always take good photos with your phone.
Thank you. But now I have a real camera. I am learning about aperture and shutter speed. It's like a mix of art and science.
Wow, that sounds professional. What do you like to take photos of?
Mostly nature and people. I love catching a moment where someone is smiling or the sun is hitting a building just right.
Some people have hobbies where they collect things. When I was a kid, I collected stamps.
Stamps. That is a very classic hobby. Do you still have them?
No, I lost them years ago, but my brother collects old coins. He has coins from over 50 different countries.
That's like a history lesson in a box. I don't collect things because I don't have enough space in my apartment.
That's a good point. If your hobby takes up too much space, it can become a problem.
My only collection is digital. I collect recipes on my computer. I have thousands of them.
Do you actually cook all of them?
No, mostly I just look at the pictures and get hungry.
I do the same thing with travel videos. I watch people go to Italy and Japan, and I pretend I am there.
So, Alex, we should give some advice to our students. Can a hobby help you learn English?
Absolutely. I think reading is the best hobby for learning English.
I agree, but not just boring textbooks. You should read things you enjoy, like comic books or short stories.
And watching movies. If you watch a movie with English subtitles, it's a hobby and a lesson at the same time.
Another good one is gaming. Many video games are in English, and you have to talk to other players online.
That's true. I have a student who learned so many slang words from playing games. He sounds very natural now.
So, to our listeners, if you have a hobby, try to do it in English. If you like cooking, read a recipe in English. If you like music, listen to English songs and look at the lyrics.
Sora, I have a funny question. Is sleeping a hobby?
No, Alex. Sleeping is a necessity. A hobby is something you choose to do to be active or creative.
Oh, too bad. I'm very good at sleeping. I thought I was an expert.
You are just lazy. What about watching TV? Is that a hobby?
People call it watching TV, but if you're really interested in cinema or documentaries, it can be a hobby. But if you just sit there and don't think, maybe not.
I think a hobby should make your brain or your body grow.
That's a good rule. Like our friend Mark, his hobby is magic tricks.
Oh, I remember him. He pulled a coin out of my ear. It was so confusing.
It takes a lot of practice to be a magician. He spends hours in front of a mirror.
That is the work part of a hobby. It's fun, but you also want to get better at it.
Sora, do you remember when we tried that pottery class together?
Oh my goodness, yes, that was a disaster.
We were covered in wet clay from head to toe. I tried to make a bowl, but it looked like a flat pancake.
And mine looked like a lumpy potato. We laughed so much we couldn't even finish the class.
Even though we were bad at it, it was a great memory. Sometimes a hobby is just about trying something new with a friend.
Exactly. You don't have to be good at your hobby. You just have to enjoy it.
That is a very important point for our students. You don't have to speak perfect English to enjoy a conversation. Just try.
Well, Alex, I think it's time for me to go water my mini forest on the balcony.
And I'm going to go practice my 3 chords on the guitar.
We hope you enjoyed our talk about hobbies today. We hope you learned some new words and feel inspired to try something new.
What about you? What is your hobby? Do you like quiet things like reading or active things like sports?
Please let us know in the comments. We love to read your stories. It helps us feel like we are all friends here on Ready Talk.
If you like this video, please give us a like. It helps more people find our channel.
And if you haven't yet, click that subscribe button. Join our family.
We will be back soon with another easy and fun English conversation.
Thank you for listening and for practicing your English with us today. You are doing a great job.
Keep practicing, stay happy, and we will see you in the next video.
Bye-bye.
Goodbye.